Have you ever stumbled in the dark trying to find the light switch? Say goodbye to fumbling in the dark with the best motion-activated light strips that provide a hassle-free and energy-efficient solution for illuminating your home. Today we will explore the best motion-activated light strips. Focusing on one type of light strip can be useful because each type has unique features and advantages. The presence of a built-in motion activated is a useful feature to search for. Your LED lights can be set up to switch on automatically when a motion sensor detects movement nearby. For always-on applications, like a bookshelf accent, this doesn't work as well. But in more practical situations, it's a terrific function. For instance, when you're working in the kitchen, a motion sensor can switch on the under-cabinet lighting. However, just because a lamp contains motion sensors doesn't imply it will always be successful. Additionally, you need a light that offers good all-around quality. So here are the best motion-activated strip lights. Number 9. Philips Hue Bluetooth Smart Light Strip. Flexibility is the key to success. The greatest strip lights are those made by Philips Hue, since they offer the most value for the money in terms of both quality and use. The thick, durable coating on the LED strip is a result of the synthetic polymers manufacturer. Additionally, you may easily operate them from your phone thanks to Bluetooth connectivity. These only come with 6.5 feet of illumination, but they can be lengthened with additional kits to up to 33 feet, or alternatively shortened by trimming it every 12 inches or so. Although you can use Bluetooth to operate these when they're close by, an additional Hue bridge will enable more smart features like scheduling, scenarios, and app control wherever you are. Number 8. Tenmiro LED Lights. Anyone wishing to give their area some color ambience should add these Tenmiro LED light strips. This is particularly accurate for individuals on a tight budget because of the frequently decreased pricing. This kit includes 2 rolls of 50 feet each for a total of 100 feet of self-adhesive, Bluetooth-enabled strip lights that can change brightness and color to create the ambience you want in your house. The Tenmiro LED light strips come with a 44-key remote control, but you can also use Bluetooth to pair them with your smartphone. Setting up these strips can be a bit tricky because you can experience some early problems with the remote or associating it with your device via Bluetooth. However, they have shown to be consistently responsive once they're set up. Number 7. TPLink Typo Smart LED Light Strip. These TPLink Typo Wi-Fi enabled strip lights are a striking addition to any house or establishment. They have a staggering 100 color zones and a 16 million color gamut, and since they are Wi-Fi enabled, you can operate them from anywhere using an app. With the Tapo app, it's simple to play with effects, set schedules, create scenes, and sync them to music. These lights have a 1100 lumen output rating, making them a very bright set on their own. However, because they are totally dimmable, they make a good addition for supplemental lighting too. These strip lights include a connected manual controller that can be used to switch on and off, change colors, and set presets, even if they don't come with a remote. This distinguishes it from alternatives that merely require a plug-in or smart control to operate. Number 6. Sengold Smart LED Strip Lights. The Sengold Smart LED strip lights are the ideal choice for any gaming or media room due to their shorter length and vibrant colors. With 16 million different color combinations, these strip lights can be used to line the back of a desk, TV, monitor, or even a TV set. Due to its Wi-Fi capabilities, the Sengold light strip makes it even simpler to use the Sengold Home app to create the ideal ambience for whatever is now playing on your screen. Although you may change the brightness to suit the environment, the colors on this strip are also rather exceptional. Despite the fact that LED strips typically have a bluish tinge regardless of their color setting, these strips are excellent at presenting real colors without a blue tint. Number 5. Sylvania LED 32.9 feet outdoor strip. This Sylvania 32.8-foot flexible light strip is the ideal addition for any outdoor location, whether it be a deck, fence, landscaping, or walkway illumination. Even though it is made to withstand the elements, you may use it indoors to light cabinets, living rooms, or bedrooms. The absence of a remote control and of any color options in this model is a drawback, but this is the best choice if you're seeking for a tough white light strip for your outside space. I personally use an outdoor smart plug to easily control the strip lights using my phone and Alexa, getting around the absence of a remote control. Sylvania also offers alternative daylight color at 4000K and cool white at 6500K, which may be ordered individually. This model is for a warm white 3000K color temperature. Number 4. Torchstar LED Safe Lighting Kit. The motion sensor activation of Torchstar's LED light strips makes them the ideal addition for any space that can benefit from some additional lighting, including closets, corridors, and even within cabinets and pantries. Torchstar's LED light strips are marketed for safes and under-cabinet lighting. These lights are activated by motion and come in 6 separate 12-inch light strips. It is simple to install additional light kits because the motion sensor has 2 connectors for connecting 2 different extensions. Number 3. Govee Motion Sensor LED Light Strip. A well-known producer of LED light strips is Govee. We just examined their wireless LED light strips and were pleased with the results. Therefore, investigating the Govee motion sensor LED light strip was only logical. This light strip is available in lengths of 2 or 3 meters, or 6.56 or 9.8 feet. The 3.28-foot string has an oval-shaped fob at the other end. A tiny motion sensor and 2 control buttons are integrated inside the fob. One side of the fob has a little USB pigtail sticking out of it. Any common USB power source, such as USB wall outlets, laptops, and USB adapters, can be used to power it. This is not a continuous light strip, which is a critical distinction to make. It is made up of numerous 1.64-foot portions that are connected by runs of common wire. Theoretically, this is good because it makes turning around corners easier. However, if you want a constant light, you'll need to stow the extra somewhere. If your corners aren't exactly the appropriate distance apart, you can also have trouble. Nevertheless, installation is still a simple process. Number 2. SenSky Motion-Activated LED Strip Light Kit. The 19.7-foot-long strip light is the main component of the SenSky Motion-Activated LED Strip Light Kit. Depending on the brightness, this light offers a warm white color temperature that ranges from 3000 to 3500 K. Additionally, it is incredibly resilient. The LED diodes have a 50,000-hour operating life rating, which is among the best lifetime currently available. This is backed by a 12-month satisfaction guarantee from SenSky. Having said that, the main advantage of the SenSky outfit is that it is an all-inclusive kit. You can start by changing the light strip itself. Every few inches, there is a small line where you can carefully cut and splice it. 3 connecting wires measuring 11.8 inches each are included in the kit and can be used to fill in gaps as needed. This method works well for creating a unique light strip that can neatly wrap around corners. Number 1. Home Life Motion Sensor LED Light Bar. The design of the Home Life Motion Sensor LED light bar is entirely different. This is a pair of LED light bars rather than a light strip. The white housing for each light bar is 7.8 inches long, 1.5 inches broad, and less than 12 inches thick. 30 LED diodes are arranged in a group with 15 on either side on the top surface. There is a tiny motion sensor dome in the middle. The housing has a gray button with a power sign on one end. The light isn't truly turned on or off by doing this. You can choose between the 3 brightness levels by holding it down or up. At the opposite end of the casing is the real power switch, which has 3 settings. Either off, automatic, or always on are the options. This enables you to turn on the light for certain tasks rather than having to continually do so on purpose. What do you think of the video? Let us know about your favorite part of the video in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more home automation videos, subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will personally reply to your comment. See you next time. Thanks for watching.